Hey guys, Tony here. So Amazon, this is gonna be a quick video. Amazon actually just released a response to them accepting Bitcoin and other cryptos this year. They actually said that that is wrong. They are not going to be accepting any cryptos, but they said specifically this year. They did not say that they weren't going to be accepting crypto. They just said that they're not going to be accepting crypto this year. Again, they didn't neglect that they're not going to be accepting crypto at all. Amazon specifically just said, or at least a representative of Amazon said, that they will not be accepting Bitcoin, Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum this year. So we just gotta wait it out, because that's why you guys see this big dump on every single one of these on all the crypto. I still am bearish on Bitcoin, but I need to see how far it actually drops to the downside, to see how if we're actually going to close bearish for this month, because we did have a pretty nice jump towards the upside. So it all depends. If Bitcoin can somehow fall back to like 34K, then I will be completely bearish all over again, and I think that we are headed down to like 26K. But if Bitcoin trails somewhere around this range of 37K, 40,000 by the end of this month, then there's a high probability that we're going to stay trading on this range and go up from here. So it really depends on the month close, and especially after this news that Amazon's saying that they're not going to accept crypto this year. They didn't say they're not going to accept crypto. They just said that they're not going to accept it this year. So we'll see what's going on. We'll play out the wave. And again, I'll see you guys later until something else happens. Bye.